In this video, I'm going to show you how you can link your Facebook and Instagram business accounts together. Welcome to Every Bit Helps. I hope you find today's video useful, and if you do, then please give it a like and share. Plus, for the latest information on Facebook, please check out everybithelps.co.uk. If you have an online business presence and have business pages or accounts with Facebook and Instagram, you may want to connect the two together so that you can use management tools for posting, ad sharing, and doing things like viewing analytics. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly that. And if you don't already have a Facebook business page set up, or if you want to learn how to use Facebook Business Suite, I have 4 tutorials for both of these, which I'll pop into the summary below. To get started and get the most out of the likes of Facebook Business Suite, you'll want to link up your Facebook and Instagram business accounts together. And if you haven't already done this, you'll need to go across to your business page, select Settings from the left-hand side of the screen here, then scroll down to Instagram. And to add your Instagram account to your page, select Connect Account, where you'll then either be prompted to continue or enter in your Instagram account details. So that's your Instagram and Facebook accounts now linked together. And by doing this, it'll make it easier for you to run your business and do things within Business Suite, such as creating new posts for your 2 linked accounts. And if at any point you want to disconnect your Instagram account, simply scroll down to the bottom of the screen and choose to disconnect. And I hope you enjoyed this video today, and if you did, then please give me a like, hit the subscribe button, and please do head over to my website at everybithelps.co.uk for more tips, reviews, and step-by-step guides. Thanks, and I'll see you soon.